How to add a video carousel to Wix. So the easiest way to add a video carousel is to head over to this plus icon right here in order to add an element. Now you can add a video carousel by going to the media option right there. And then from in here, you should be able to find this window box. We have single video players, we have video box, as well as transparent videos. So you can choose in here what kind of video you want for this part. You can also choose in here this one that actually helps you present a lot of videos in one click. So just choose in here which kind do you want and then add it right around here to the any blank part of your site. Attach it from in there and then wait for this to successfully load altogether. As you can see, it's been added, so click on the This Manage Media option right there. And it should be able to open in here a window. Just upload in here all of the video that you want to add into your carousel, and it should be able to play all together into this part. So that's how you add a video carousel to Wix. Hope we helped.